Hello and welcome to Miss Shaw's math learning video for Thursday, September 24th. We're on activity 4 in the Google Slides. Our objective is we'll be able to read, write, and count numbers up to 10. This is a little poem that just talks about how you are writing the numbers because we're going to be practicing writing numbers 7, 8, 9, 0, and 10. Once again, Miss Shaw's class does not have the math book right now at home, and that's okay. You can either practice just on a piece of paper is fine. If you want to practice writing the numbers 4 times, just like they have them written, then that's okay. Parents, those of you that are not having your child go to in-person, so virtual learning, I will have a math book available for you to pick up next week if you choose to do that so that they can do the same work that we're doing and they can do it in their book. But for this week, they can just work on paper. So I see this is my number name 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to write the number 7, I'm going to start at this black dot and I'm going to go to the right, over, and then kind of diagonal. 7. Okay, so I'm going to practice writing that 4 times. This is the number word for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to write an 8, I think of 8, I always picture a snowman. So you can start here, the little black dot, and you go kind of in a semicircle around, and then diagonally around and back up to the 8. Okay. Also, if it's easier for you to kind of do it kind of like a snowman, but with 2 circles, that's also fine. Okay. This is the number word for 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here's how we write a 9. Start here at the black dot and go around, loop it around, back up and down. Around, up and down. 0, so you don't see a picture because 0 means there's none. Zeros are pretty easy. They're just like a circle. 0. This is the number word for the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to write a 10, you're going to go to the black dot and down to write a 1. And then you're going to make a 0 because 10 is 1 and a 0. 1 and a 0. Okay, so you can practice writing each number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 0 4 times. And for the interactive, you're going to count and build the number with cubes. So you're going to make sure you're in this mode, otherwise it won't let you move anything. This square is going to be the picture, so there's one object in here, one leaf. This is the equal sign, so equal means the same. So I'm going to pull the number of cubes down here that match this number of objects. So I'm going to pull 1 cube. Does not matter what color. You just have to make sure it's got the little blue squares on the side of it. And I'm going to pull my 1 cube because this is 1 leaf equals 1 cube. So I'm going to do the same thing and I'm just going to show you the second one. I've got 1, 2 pumpkins. So I'm going to move 1, 2 cubes. 2 pumpkins equal 2 cubes. So you're going to do that all the way through until you get to the number 10. And that is our math for today.